Intellectual property, IP, is one of the most valuable assets a business or individual can own, but failing to protect it properly can lead to serious financial losses and legal issues. Today, we're going to uncover 5 mistakes people often make with intellectual property and how you can avoid them, saving you time and money. I'm Paul Britton, a solicitor based in London, Mayfair. I've been working for businesses for the best part of 20 years and I've been a lawyer for 10. If you have a brand name, logo or slogan, you need to protect it as soon as possible. So many businesses operate for years without registering their trademark, only to find out that someone else has claimed it first. If you find yourself in this situation, you might have to rebuild your brand completely, which can be expensive and harmful to your reputation. You can avoid this by checking existing trademarks and register yours early with the UK Intellectual Property Office. A common misconception is that copyright protects every idea you come up with. The reality is that copyright only protects the way an idea is expressed, not the idea itself. Let's say you write a book. The text is protected, but the concept behind it isn't, meaning someone else could create something very similar. A way to fix this is if you have a unique concept or invention, consider filing a patent or trademark rather than relying solely on the copyright. Imagine this, spending thousands on branding and product development, only to receive a legal notice forcing you to stop selling your product. Many entrepreneurs launch products or businesses without even checking if their brand name or invention already exists. This can result in legal battles, rebranding costs, and potential lawsuits. It's exciting to talk about new business ideas, inventions, or creative products, but if you share it without legal protection, someone else can take it and register it first. This happens more often than you may think, especially in competitive industries. Before discussing your idea with potential investors, partners, or manufacturers, use a non-disclosure agreement, an NDA. This legally protects your idea from being used without permission. Even if you register your trademark or copyright, it means nothing if you don't enforce it. If others copy or misuse your IP, you could lose exclusive rights to it over time. For example, if a competitor uses a similar name or logo and you don't challenge it, they may later claim legal rights over it, making it harder for you to stop them. Make sure you monitor the use of your intellectual property and act quickly if you see it being infringed, whether that's through legal warnings, cease and desist letters, or court action if necessary. Intellectual property mistakes can be costly and time-consuming, but with the right precautions, you can protect your business, brands, and creative work effectively. If you need expert advice on protecting your intellectual property, Britton & Time Solicitors are here to help you. Contact us today to safeguard your ideas and assets.